Hello, my name is Shun Newbern. I'm licensed funeral director and licensed embalmer at Metropolitan Mortuary, Jurupa Valley. I just want to take a few moments out there just to talk about the uniqueness of our services. When you're doing a funeral, it's so important that people truly understand that funerals are unique. They are so unique in the fact that if you so wanted to have a veteran service, if you wanted to have a burial and then have a repast or a party afterwards, you can do that. We are so open to just allowing people to do what they want to do and to be able to say that, wow, this guy took off the time to not only return my phone calls, but every time I text him, he was right there responding to everything we had. That's what we call personalization, making sure that you understand that your service is important to you. Even if it's about the casket, the color of the casket, we can help you with that, making sure that you know for a very fact that you're getting the casket that you want. What does it mean to be a licensed embalmer? What does it mean to be a licensed funeral director? That means I've been to mortuary college, that I've studied, that I understand grief, that I understand you, understand the needs of the family and what actually goes into making sure that service is memorable. And oftentimes we actually forget the fact that, wow, will this person respond to me? Will this person understand exactly what I'm going through? Are they too far away from my hometown where my church is? Distance is not an issue with us. Distance is not an issue. It's not an issue. Don't allow it to be an issue. But we are here to help you. Metropolitan Mortuary. And remember my name, Shun Newbern.